The Frontline from RST may look like a casual softshell jacket, but of course there's more to it than meets the eye. It is made from a softshell fabric, but it's reinforced with DuPont Kevlar in the elbows and shoulders for added abrasion resistance. RST's own Sinaqua membrane features as a lining in the jacket, so it is waterproof, and you've got a nice, comfortable mesh interior. The liner itself isn't removable, so to help cool things down when you need to, you've got little ventilation zips on the top of the shoulders here with an exhaust port in the back of the jacket. Now, I'm not really a fan of hoods on motorcycle jackets, and sadly this hood isn't removable. It does, however, mean that this makes for a really useful casual jacket when you're not on the bike. There are plenty of pockets too, with two on the waist, one on the chest, and a kind of map pocket on the lower back, plus two internal pockets. There are flashes of reflective material all over the jacket, which are nice and subtle in daylight, and there's a little bit of branding on the sleeves, the chest pocket, and the upper back. Of course, the jacket is armoured, and it comes with level 1 in the elbows and shoulders. There is a pocket for a back protector, but it doesn't come with one as standard. I had a spare level 1 D3O back protector kicking around, and thankfully it's the same size and it fits in there perfectly. So you have got the option to upgrade that armour if you want to include a back protector. The Frontline is CE rated. It has a single A garment rating. I don't think that's too much of a problem. It's the sort of jacket that's more likely to be used in urban environments or for short runs, but it does give you that armour. You could upgrade to level 2 in the shoulders, elbows and back, and you've obviously got abrasion resistance from the DuPont Kevlar in the elbow sections and the shoulders, so I'm not too concerned about the single A rating. So it looks pretty good. It offers protection, warmth, waterproofness and comfort, but what's it been like out on the bike? I've been wearing this on and off for the last couple of months, and I have to say that it has really surprised me. It's a really comfortable jacket to wear, and it's performed well too. I've worn it for a few journeys back and forth to work, and it's coped with sunshine and rain showers admirably. So far I've only felt the need to wear a t-shirt underneath, but that's worked in temperatures from about 9 degrees to up over 20. Although the ventilation works remarkably well, it can get a little bit warm at the higher temperatures we see here in the UK. Despite not liking hoods on jackets, this hasn't been too bad and has probably helped to change my mind a little bit. It doesn't get in the way or billow with air when riding, which is something that I worried about. And actually, when it's colder, it does offer a nice bit of insulation around your neck, especially at the back. I have got caught in some showers and the jacket just took it in its stride. The water beads for a little bit on the surface, but then it does start to soak in. The Sinaqua lining does keep you dry, and I didn't get any water ingress even in longer spells of rain. The outer material will, however, wet out after time, as would any other drop liner jacket. Having said that, it does dry out relatively quickly. It's a great jacket for urban use if you want to just nip out to the shops, to run an errand, or indeed just head out for a quick ride. And if you want something that doesn't look like a motorcycle jacket that you can wear both casually and on the bike, this fits the bill. As I always find with RST, the sizing is accurate, if not just a little bit generous, so you'll have no problem in ordering your normal size. It's proved a useful piece of kit, and when you consider that this jacket retails at just $119.99, I think that's pretty good value. RST continue to turn out really nice pieces of kit at very reasonable prices, and I'll be interested to see what will join this jacket in the 2022 lineup when that's announced, probably towards the back end of this year. So just a relatively short video this week, as there's not really that much more I can say about this jacket. It's proved to be very comfortable, it's proved to be relatively warm, it's got protection, it's kept the water out, and it looks very casual too. So if you're in the market for this kind of jacket, then I would definitely recommend heading out and taking a look at this, particularly as you can pick these up for just a penny under £120. I've put a link in the description to where you can find this jacket, and if you've got any particular questions about it, then please just drop those in the comment section down below. It would also be great if you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and until the next time, I just want to say thanks for watching. Take care, ride safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.